Daryl made over $70,000 his first month in wholesaling real estate.
Corey just did his biggest real estate deal ever, over $60,000.
Guys, our subscribers in this past month have sent us over $500,000 of assignment fees that they did learning from our free real estate wholesaling content. Now, that's just $500,000 that they just posted in our group, giving thanks to our great content. But the truth is, our followers, our subscribers on this YouTube channel are literally making millions upon millions of dollars every single month. They're making more money than we could possibly make in wholesaling real estate because they're doing it for themselves, their family, and they are crushing their dreams, guys. What we want to do is really highlight out of the probably $10, $15 million of assignment fees our subscribers are doing. We really want to highlight in the past month or two, $500,000 that our subscribers made in real estate wholesaling assignment fees, really highlight them and share exactly how they did it. And most importantly, how you can do the same thing. What's up, guys? Zach in here.
Rick in here.
And we are so humbled to have the largest real estate wholesaling community in the entire country, where we share all of the content you need to know how we run our seven-figure wholesaling business, and so many people take our information and run with it. Really, I don't want to steal the spotlight from you or me or anything like that, but guys, if you want to learn exactly how these people did it, they all just went to freewholesaling.com, went educated, went on the one-on-one calls with us, and changed their life forever. So before we get into it, do me a big favor. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. Go to freewholesaling.com and let's highlight these people. This is really for them today.
Yeah, and keep in mind, all these checks, everybody we're going to talk about is, we never asked anybody to post these. We don't ask anyone. They just say, listen, I did the freewholesaling.com. I followed Zach and Rick, and here's the result. So these are organic testimonials. People just saying, listen, I love what you're doing. I want other people to be successful. Guys, keep that in mind. We do not chase people down for solicitations. This is just a fraction of the people that are being successful and showing their proof right here for you.
So I got to show you the proof here. Daryl Nickerson right here literally just shows he literally had a goal of making $100,000 his first month in wholesaling real estate because he had a newborn daughter on the way and he wanted to change his life, right? So he did not reach the goal of $100,000 in a month before his newborn daughter was born, but he made $70,000 stinking dollars his first month wholesaling real estate. And before the gurus and the haters say, oh, this is fake, blah, 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 look at this. Here's a check literally from the Becton Law Firm. You can literally see the phone number and the address right here. $26,000. Here's the address. You can see it right there. Here's Daryl, some other checks, a $40,000 check. Boom. If you guys are hating on us saying, oh, wholesaling doesn't work, it's fake, Zach's faking all the success from his students, guys, this is all from a law firm. Like, this is all legit. Like, lawyers are writing these checks. Like, not even me, okay? Like, I can't fake it unless everyone is in this big conspiracy. All the lawyers in the entire world are trying to make me give real estate wholesaling content out for free, guys. This stuff works. $70,000. His daughter was born, and now he's crushing it, guys. Daryl is a huge inspiration for me, the tenacity he has, and hopefully for you guys to go out here and get it.
So you don't have to pay a guru to be successful in wholesaling?
It's crazy, but like all from our free content, freewholesaling.com, our live streams. Guys, this is why I keep going. This is why we don't stop. We push the pace. We keep it going because it's changing lives. So Corey, actually, he's been doing hundreds of thousands of dollars of real estate wholesaling deals, but he just sent me another one, and he just got his first $60,000 deal, his biggest deal he's ever done, and he's got a double closed on it in Tennessee right here. But just wanted to give a shout out to him. Y'all can literally see another check. I mean, he posted in the group. It was like I think a $20,000 one. His name was literally on the check. Like, this stuff's life changing.
I talked to Corey quite a bit. And he used to work with us on the one-on-ones. He was brand new, just like a lot of you watching this. And he just kept going and going. He learned those mistakes. He hopped on the one-on-ones. And now, I mean, he's got like 4 or 5 deals in the pipelines. And honestly, he is on his own, and I couldn't be happier. So I have Cameron right here, and I'm looking at it. He did 5 deals in his first 5 months. And let me just kind of roll through the numbers he's posted here. So his first wholesale deal, $5,000. Awesome. Next one, $18,100. The next one, just below $6,000. Then he did a $13,000, and just recently, literally just the other day, just posted his home run deal at $30,000 on his 5th wholesale deal. I mean, If that's not success, I don't know what else is. Guys, wholesaling's for real. It works, and people are having massive success following our program.
So the next one here is Hamdan. Literally just posted this. He said this is his 7th deal this month, which is insane. He's learning all of our free content. Literally, he says on all the posts, like, don't do a guru. All of it's for free. Love freewholesaling.com. Right here, just a quick $30,000. He just wanted to show that one, some inspiration,
30K.
guys. The big players in wholesaling real estate that are subscribed to us, a lot of them want to be nameless, right? They're doing 7, 8, 9, 10 deals a month, just learning from our free content. They do DM me, we message them. They want a little more private about their secret market, so we won't share it. But guys, like millions of dollars every single month learning from freewholesaling.com. Brad right here made $50,000 his first real estate wholesaling deal.
It's amazing.
So you're like, I saved up my money until I was able to quit my job comfortably on July 1st and gave wholesaling 150% effort. I was done living the quiet life of desperation of my 9 to 5 and knew it was time to give it all I had. I could live with the failure, but I couldn't live with what is not trying. I strongly believed in my capabilities and Zach and Rick's teachings and knew I wouldn't stop until I got the contract signed. I found a house on July 6th, drawing for dollars, that had been boarded up by the city for almost 2 years. After a very difficult probate situation, as well as a very difficult personal representative, I am now sit here with my first wholesaling check. I'm telling you, all now, if you follow what they teach, there's no way you won't get a deal. If you put in the work, this is proof. Boom, boom, boom. That is a $50,000 wire from First American Title Company of Montana. Guys, this stuff is life stinking changing. We can go on and on it. Let's share some other ones really quickly right here. Brian out here with a $12,000 check right there. Absolutely amazing.
Nakir did $6,100. Check this out.
Our boy Tavion out here, second deal out here, 13,000 stinking dollars.
Unbelievable. And then you follow it up with Nicole at $14,500. Awesome job.
Shout out to Nicole because she hopped on the one-on-one calls, got coaching from us, and absolutely crushed it.
Yeah.
Ryan right here with a $2,500 check. We want to congrats to everyone out here. So Ashley did $41,000, another $20,000 check. She's absolutely crushing it here. She was actually a registered nurse, wanted to change her jobs, and boom, wholesaling was the key. And the last one is...
So this next guy, I think you did a podcast with him, Joe.
Yeah.
He did $86,000 in wholesaling. I mean, that's
one deal.
In one deal, guys. Following our system, guys. This is proof. These are organic testimonials. We don't ask anyone for it. This is just a fraction of the people having success in our system.
And we'll put the interview I had with Joe for $86,000 on a virtual wholesaling deal. And guys, when I have a podcast with somebody, like with Joe, I'm like, all right, Joe, send me the legit HUDs. He sent me the HUDs. He sent me everything. He sent me the HUDs and showed me the proof, guys. This is all legit.
This next one, I think you did a podcast with him too. Sullivan?
Yeah.
In his first couple months of wholesaling using our system, $42,000. Just amazing. He's only 21 years of age.
Younger than me. Wow.
That's amazing.
Guys, we can go on and on and on forever, guys. We get so many great, amazing testimonials from you guys just showing how well freewholesaling.com works for you, why our live streams work, why the videos we post actually work. It's truly humbling and amazing that our stuff works for you and can help change your life. So what I've honestly found from these people that are doing well, honestly, you've found it too, but like these people just decided to take action and make a change in their life today. They decided to do it and it worked out for them. But the truth is, not every single marketing is going to be like an insane deal, right? Not every single month you're going to make $86,000 on one deal, right? But like if you consistently take the action and consistently show up every single day, get what's in my opinion the best wholesaling knowledge in the entire world, freewholesaling.com. There's no way you can't be successful because you go on these one-on-one calls from us. You learn for free. You go through the course. You go to Wholesaling Houses for Real, the best mastermind in the country, the largest mastermind in wholesaling real estate. There's no way you can lose. You just got to show up, do the work, and you'll do it.
Guys, if you haven't figured out anything like this, if you need proof to see if our system works, like this is just a fraction of it. And keep in mind, these people volunteer. We don't ask anyone for solicitations. Honestly, your success, if you want to share it, awesome. But the fact that all these people share their success should speak volumes. I've been doing this 20 years. He's 5 years into it. We love wholesaling. We're not going anywhere. And we want everyone to be successful. It's up to you to take the action, though. I will give you all the knowledge you need to be successful in wholesaling, but you have to take the action just like all these people I talked about.
So guys, if you want to learn wholesaling real estate, guys, last one here, just go to freewholesaling.com. I want to see you go through the course, learn it, hop in the live streams, ask questions, talk to me or Rick one-on-one. And last but not least, get a big deal, send it over to us, and we'll go highlight you. We're excited, guys. We're jacked up. We're going to change lives. These gurus can't handle the stuff we're doing, guys. This is just proof you don't need the guru. Freewholesaling.com. Guys, this is Zach in signing out.
Rick in signing out.
Go to freewholesaling.com. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks, guys.